Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This one is super special because I am collabing with all of Graceful Muse Paperie's PR girls. We are all using this really pretty holly and ivy kit, which is in gold foil, and I just am so in love with the colors of this kit. It is so pretty. You get the traditional like dark sage greens and pine needles, and then the pops of red in this kit, but at the same time it is still quite soft and really pretty and like muted. So I love the combination of those two. And I think Laura did a really great job with designing this kit. So, and I think it came out really pretty. So anyway, this video is coming up, or it's being posted right after like the Christmas holiday. So I hope you guys all had a good, healthy and happy and safe Christmas, and or any holiday, whatever holiday that you celebrate. I just love this time of year. And I'll get into like how I celebrated Christmas in later plan with me's when when I post the plan with me for that week. But I'd love to hear how you celebrated the holiday, and anything that you'd like to share about what you did, and maybe if it was different from normal years. I'd love to talk to you and hear about it. But yeah, anyway, as I mentioned, this is a collab plan with me. I am doing this with all of Laura's other PR girls. So that is Yana of Yana Plans 1, Ash of Planned with Ash, and then Kahla of Pretty Planner Pages. So I will have all of their videos linked down below in the description box. Please do check those videos out. All of their spreads came out really pretty as well. So yeah, that is basically it. We did come up with some holiday themed questions to answer in our videos, so I guess I'll just get into that now. The first one is, what is your favorite holiday tradition? And I honestly wish I had thought of the answers to these questions before I started filming this voiceover, but let's see. Favorite holiday tradition? Well, we always have family dinner on Christmas Eve, and then at the end of the dinner we open our presents, and that's kind of like the only tradition that my family has. We're not really tradition people, as far as like, I don't know what I'm saying. I guess that's like the only like real tradition that we have, is that we have Christmas Eve dinner and open presents. Okay, number 2 is, what is one wish you have for 2021? And I love this question, but let's see. One wish that I have for 2021 is just that that my family and friends stay healthy and safe. I think that's like kind of all I can really wish for. Favorite Christmas meal? So our Christmas meals actually change every year. Like, it just depends on what we decide to have, or decide to make or bring or whatever. So I don't really have a favorite Christmas meal, just because we don't have one that we like specifically eat on Christmas, or that we eat every year for Christmas. But I would say we always get, for every single holiday, we always have sparkling apple cider, and I just love that. And I feel like holidays are the only times that we ever have sparkling cider, so I would say that's definitely what I look forward to, food/drink wise, for Christmas. But actually, also my boyfriend's dad is British, so he makes Yorkshire pudding every Christmas. So that is something that I've started to look forward to. And, I only ever have that on Christmas. So, yeah, that's my second answer to that question. Next is favorite Christmas songs or favorite holiday songs. Definitely like Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas Is You. Let's see. What is that other song? Last Christmas. That one's a good one too. Or Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from NSYNC. That one's good. What else? What else? Ba 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 ba. Trying to think of if I have any more, but I don't think I do. The next question is favorite holiday beverage. So I guess I'll steal the sparkling apple cider answer for that one. Next question is if you had to leave one thing out for Santa besides milk and cookies, what would it be? Let's see. So, I don't know. I would definitely give him some type of alcoholic drink because I'm sure he has had a long ass night and he needs, to chill out a little bit. And, he needs kind of something to get him through the rest of the day or the rest of the night. So probably it would be like a Bailey's, a coffee with Bailey's. That would be good. So that he can get his alcohol fix, but also some caffeine to, help him to finish delivering the presents and everything. Okay. How about, sorry. The next question is, if you could travel anywhere for Christmas, where would you go? And so other than like, my typical response of like going to see my family, like if we could go like anywhere in the world, I don't really know. So yeah, I don't really know. So, like, the only thing I can think of is that I've always heard of how amazing and pretty the Christmas markets are in Europe and specifically Vienna. A few years back, I went to Vienna at the beginning of November for work, and unfortunately, we missed the Christmas markets by like 1 to 2 weeks. It was so close. So I would love to go back and experience that and see what that's all about. Next question is what is the best holiday gift you've ever gotten and what's the worst? So for the worst, it was definitely like a gag gift from my brother. He actually got me a pumpkin pie from Costco. He like wrapped it up in everything and and I was not too happy about it. But yeah, I mean it was still a good pie, so you can't really complain too much about that. And then as far as the best holiday gift I've ever gotten, that one like is hard to pinpoint. Like nothing really stands out too much. Like I'm the kind of person that doesn't love getting gifts. I feel like if I want something, I am gonna get it myself. So like I don't really love receiving gifts. I also don't love giving gifts because not that I don't love giving gifts or giving things to people, but I just hate the thought of getting something that is just going to be like sitting around. Like that's just gonna end up being like clutter for somebody. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm kind of weird about gift giving, but what is the best gift that I've gotten? Ooh, this is actually my question, so I don't know why I don't have an answer for this. Since I can't think of like a physical answer, I'm just gonna be cheesy and say that the best present that I've gotten for the holidays is time with my family and loved ones. Oh. Okay, and then the last question is what is your favorite part of the holiday season? And I think I just answered it basically. My favorite part is definitely just spending the time with my family and just having that like kind of layer of something special, like something, like the added vibes of the holidays just bring that time together up a notch. And yeah, just like the overall aura and vibes of the holiday season are just really like heartwarming, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's just a nice feeling. Like you feel like you know, you're closing up. Like the ending of a year is kind of like a soft closing of a chapter, and just the anticipation of a new year. I'm definitely one of those people that kind of looks at a new year as a new beginning. And I know that's, you know, super cliche, but and you know, like any day can be a new beginning, but there's just something special about the new year. I also love how everything at work kind of dwindles down at the end of the year, and you know, everyone's pretty chill and relaxed and taking time off. And what else? What else? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just love the time with family. I think that's really the best part. So yeah. And just having the time, like when everything seems to be slowing down, to relax, take time to yourself, and just wind down before the new year when everything's going to be picking back up again. I think I just love everything about the holiday season. Um, but yeah, oh, actually, one thing that I thought of for my favorite holiday tradition is that every year I watch my favorite Christmas movie, which is Jingle All the Way. And if you've never seen Jingle All the Way, then how dare you? But it is an amazing movie. Oh my God, I actually was kind of upset because this week on Wednesday, the week that I'm planning, we had our virtual holiday party for work, and it was actually really fun. Like it was like hosted by some company that specializes in doing like virtual parties, but it was like a whole like game night, and so we did like trivia and other types of games and things like that. But someone said that they didn't like Jingle All the Way. They said it was a bad movie, and I was so offended. I was like, no, it's actually a really good movie. Okay, but anyway, yeah, if you've never seen Jingle All the Way, I totally recommend it. I think like part of why I love it so much is just the nostalgia, because I you know would watch it all every year growing up as well. So it probably isn't. It might not. It's definitely not the best Christmas movie, but it just holds such a special place in my heart that I have to watch that every single year. Okay, so that's all with the questions. It looks like I'm wrapping up the spread. If you have any questions on the stickers that I showed, please do just ask me. I mean, I feel like every time I say that, or anytime anyone says that in a Plan With Me video, like no one ever asks to know where the stickers are, because we kind of all use the same stickers, right? So yeah, but anyway, I love how this turned out. I'm so sorry I didn't get to like tell you guys about the week. It was a nice week where we celebrated both my dad's birthday and my boyfriend's mom's birthday. I you know, and we also had like training for Archie, and we took him to the park a few times on the weekend. And oh, and for Animal Crossing, I finished all the fossils. I found them all. I finished watching Heart of Dixie. That was like, oh, that was a nice ending. But I'm sad it's over. And I also finished watching Virgin River season 2. And oh, and I finally did some yoga, which you guys might have noticed that I haven't been doing well with my yoga habit at all. So yeah, that was this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.